started guarding me after subs. Kevin, the suit. Oh yeah, Kevin. Kevin, listen. Never mind. Give it, Kevin. You really gonna shoot that? You're not LeBron.
Hey, Kingston. No press, boy. Let him get across half court.
Hey Kevin, go right there. Go to the black line. Right there. When you get the ball, shoot it. Wait, actually, never mind. Kevin. Hey Kevin, stop moving. Stop moving. Jordan, pass it, Kevin. See if you make it. Stay right there, Kevin. Stay right there. Kevin, stay right there. Oh yeah, Jesse! Yeah! Jesse, it felt good to get a point, huh? Oh yeah, Kevin, lock him up. Hey, give it Kevin! Kevin! Come on, Kevin! No, Kevin. Kevin, hey, Kevin. Hey, Kingston, every time, Jesse.
Go, guys.
Kingston, get your free throw. The red line, Kingston. That's four people. All right. I got you.
We might get cooked by them.
Offense in the middle.
Hey, we beat him in football. So we probably win basketball. We got people. They probably he hella tall. I think he could dunk. The one with the little black wristbands.
Right here?
Yeah, he hella tall. Kevin!
Kingston, it's okay. Just shoot 33.
We gotta get more points this season.
31-7.
Yeah, we need more points.
Yeah, at least 6. Come on, DJ.
Kevin, shoot it!
Shoot it!
Oh! Hey Kevin, don't get sad.
Kevin.
Oh yeah, Kevin, go.
Give it to Kevin! Kevin! Kevin needs a point.
Oh yeah, Kevin, go Kevin. Oh yeah, Kevin. Kevin, just pass it. Kevin, just pass it. You're wide open.